Flashback to last week's heavy rains, streets flooded fast. But did you know that the secret to stopping floods in the Philippines might be hiding on the surface of tiny tree leaves? Here's the wild part. Seedling leaves have special textures, almost like nature's raincoats that slow down rainfall. Instead of water pouring straight to the ground, textured leaves hold droplets, letting them drip slowly. But the most powerful flood-fighting leaf? Mangrove seedlings. Their waxy, bumpy leaves trap even more water. Every seedling is a shield. Plant one, protect many. Subscribe for more nature power.